So today in this class we have discussed the one VBA project. So project is I want to make the sheet form. So when we fill the sheet, one sheet data sent to the another sheet. Okay, with VBA one by one back down and down. So we have the Excel sheet here. So we make the form here. We just create the simple form, but you have created the one professional form. Okay. So name, city, and amount, and we have colored this now. And second sheet the make the data sheet. So data, and we have right here uh, first ID, second date, third date, third time, fourth name, city, amount. So we will create here one button. Okay, and when they click the button, all report, all sales value sent to the data sheet. In the data sheet also have the I create the new ID, enter the date and the time, and data will be shared. So we have do this with the VBA programming. So first we have go to the Visual Basic, click insert module, and now create the macro. So sub send, bracket open close, so send macro. So now we have create the button, the form control button, click here, and list of the assigned macros, select the send and just click. And also change the button 1 to save data, right? And we have give the dual screen, you can understand. So now I want to create the ID. What is the, yeah, in the developer tab, insert the buttons, form control button. Okay. So we have first create the ID. How can create the ID? So I want to create the ID from the this column, and column name the max. Max we have select here max. Okay, max. Right. First we have declare the sum variable. So we have declared a dim uh, dt as a worksheet. So we have declare here कि dt as a worksheet. Which worksheet? So we have set dt equal to sheets name is the data. So now we not don't need to do anything with sheets data like that. Okay, we just write here dt because we have declared the one worksheet variable and set the data sheet as a dt. So simply we write the dt anywhere we want to sheets data. Understand? Okay, that is shortcut. Okay, so now we have I create the ID equal to application dot worksheet function dot max. In the max, we have right here dt, the seat name, and range colon A. Okay. So this formula, this is a max formula, give the maximum number in the column of A. Right? Now I want to go to the last of the data. So last class we have discussed it. We have right here range A 65,000 dot and x less up. So this code do the first go to the A 65,000 and paste the control up. Okay. When you apply the offset here, okay, offset 1 comma 0, it means go the down, right? Like, but we have not do the directly because this code is very long. So we have also defined the one another shortcut dim r as a range. Okay, and we have decide here set r equal to dt dot range. Okay, understand, sir? So now we don't write the this love code. We write the just r. So I want to put the value here. So just put here r dot value equal to id plus 1. Okay. So when this run the code, you can see here 1 is coming here. 1 coming here because max is the 0. Max is the 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now again we have run this. So put the down the 2. Again put the 3 because now the maximum number 2. So plus 1 the 3 here. So every time this run this macro, give the sequence number 1 by 1 like that. Okay. But I want to put the date of the next column. So we write here r dot offset. What is the r? Well, r is this column. This column called the r. This cell is the r. I want to the next cell. So just we have write here offset. Offset 0 row of the same row next column. Next column dot value equal to date. Date it means system date. Now we run this macro. You can see here the one and date, right? Next, we have right here 2. A time, we have right here time, right? Right. We have delete here the time. Okay. Now we can also use the name from the form sheet. So first we have another create dim. Yeah, no need to dim because we write the three variables here. Okay. So first n equal to sheets sheets in the form. Okay, dot range it means b3 b3, this is the b3 value. B3 dot value. Okay, we have copy and paste here, and that calls c it is city, and b3 is the b6, and amount it right here paste here, and convert change the name n equal to amount and b3 to b9. Okay, so now we have right here dot offset 0 row and 3 column dot value equal to n. Again of r dot offset 0 dot comma 3 4 equal to value equal to that call city. Now r dot offset 0 comma 5 dot value equal to amount that is amount amt spelling mistake here. Okay, now need to clean this. Need to clean this. So we write the this code sheet form dot value equal to blank. Okay, not a blank. Oh, sorry, not a blank. We have write the here. So B3, comma B6, comma B9, and right here clear content dot clear, uh, close the bracket, dot, clear, content, content. I think it's spelling mistake, clear. Hmm? Clear. So A had A and contents S. Yeah, right. This is correct because your C and C also convert in the uppercase. Now we give the MSG box and data have data have cell. Okay. Now right here, Puja city Patna and amount is the 560. Just save. Click here, save. Data is saved and okay. Now you can put here another input. So Om Delhi and amount is the 784. Click here, save. Data is saved. Okay, sir. So any problem this code? Only one column. Offset 0, comma 1, 0, comma 2. The okay, column, the column number. Okay, column number, but three means what? 0, comma 3 means where? Third column, same the third column, third row, the same column, third row, third column. Same column, third row. Yeah, right. Yeah, right here. First understand what is the R. What is the R? R it means this one. So go to the first A65,000 and press the control up arrow. Go to the last data of the data, last cell of the data, and offset one. One so first is the row and second is the column. First is the row, second is the column. So first row, one row, it means go down, and zero column, it means same column. So this is here. Now I want to put the ID. So same we have write the same, but I want to put the date. So date is the same row but next column. So same row we have put the zero, okay, and next column. So go to the next column, put here one, okay. Same I want to type the time. So time the same row but after two column one and two. So we have write here one and two. So now we have typed the name. Name where is the same row but after three column. One, two, three. So we have write here three. Okay. Understand? Yeah. So I share the file with you. You have try to make same and also make the last project. Okay. So we have arranged the time for the practice because in the future classes need a lot of practice. Okay, because real macro will be